Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing a product that has been blowing up on TikTok. It's the new self-adhesive eyelashes, but this one in particular has no band. What? As a mom of two with no time to spare, seriously, less than no time, I am always in the hunt for quick, hassle-free beauty solutions. I have tried so many kinds of eyelashes before, and every time they seem to get easier to use, but these ones claim to take things to the next level. No glue, no remover, no residue. What? Are they worth the hype? Let's find out. The brand is Eyelash, so you can look it up on TikTok. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to find it on Amazon, but this is how it looks. It comes with different sizes from 10 millimeters to 14 millimeters. It comes 10 of 10, 10 of 12, and 20 of 14. It brings its own tweezer, and in the back side it brings the instructions. So these are the eyelashes. Nothing new with these. Every set that I have bought brings different sizes so you can customize your looks, and it's nice. There you go. It's not too big, not too large. So here in the package says no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. And it says that it lasts up to 24 hours on your eyelashes. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply them to my eyelashes because I am on my way to work, and I'm gonna let you know how it went tonight. So the adhesive is in the band, but the band is clear. This is number 14. I have my mirror here. Is there. But once I apply all the clusters, then I'm gonna squeeze it. I know. Oh no. You know what? I am applying all in number 14 because they look natural, nothing dramatic, and that's what I need today. And you can already see my eyes looking nice. Super natural. Super natural. I like that. I already did my other eye, and now I have to press them. I know. This is how they look. I'm gonna show you when I'm on my car or when I'm on my break to see how it's holding up. But just in case, I'm gonna take some because I am afraid they are gonna fail. It's the end of the day one, and I just got home from work. It's 12:33. So midnight. I just wanted to mention that I have been exposed to a lot of wind, and both eyes are looking great. The eyelashes stayed in place all day with no irritation. They are light, and I don't know if you can see the little spikes that it has, but I really like that. I am gonna test these eyelashes for 3 days. So tonight I am gonna remove the eyelashes from one eye, and I'm gonna put it in this lid from my other falsies, because the set, the box with the rest of the eyelashes are in my car, and I am not gonna go over there because it's cold right now. Tomorrow is gonna snow, so it's cold. I'm gonna keep the eyelashes on this eye to see if I wake up tomorrow with the full set on my eye, and if not, of course I'm gonna let you know. If these eyelashes make it to the third day, I am gonna take a shower while wearing them to let you know if it holds, if you can go to the pool, even though they don't advertise it as a waterproof eyelashes, but I am stubborn, so let's see. Now I'm gonna remove the eyelashes to see if it's true, and wait, no, I'm gonna use my fingers. Ooh. Oh my god, I messed up. Okay. I fix it. Okay, so now we have one eye with eyelashes and the other one without the eyelashes. They are here. Let's see if we can put it back tomorrow. So far, no residue. No residue. I can just take them off and I'm good to go to sleep if I am really tired and I don't want to wash my face. Good morning, good morning. It is 8:10 a.m. and I wanted to show you that these eyelashes are still on. They are just as I applied them yesterday. They didn't come off, they didn't lift, they are still clean, they look clean. And I'm gonna take them off right now because I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna put them right back. Okay, I'm ready, so I'm gonna put my eyelashes back on. Let's see if it works this time. So these two are for the outside. What I don't like is that you can see the glue the next day or after you take it off. You can see the glue and I don't like that. So I'm gonna use that at the end. I'm gonna use another one. Let me remove this one eyelash so it doesn't poke my eyes. And I feel like I'm growing a sty here because it's hurting. I don't think it's due to the eyelash. I don't think so. But I am gonna go to CVS to get one solution. It is 4:30 in the morning. I just came from work. The lashes are still there. I'm starting to think that this new method is a game changer, you guys. They're still there, but I am gonna take them off tonight because I really want to clean my eye. I don't know if it's a style that I am gonna get or it's just something that I have here that will go away if I wash my face really good. Remember, this is the eye that I left on with the eyelashes. Let's see if by tomorrow or by a couple hours my eye gets better. Usually on February I get styes. I don't know why. I would like to know, but I really think that this is a coincidence that I am trying this product and getting this eye. at the same time. And this time I'm pulling them from the tip. Look at that. It came off. Let's see if it comes off really fast and quick. Hold on. Yep. Oh, here's a little bit. Just by trying to remove the extra glue. I got a style eye 2 times. And the first time I got it was when I first tried the eyelashes and I slept with them. The second time I went to Florida after I got rid of the first side. I wanted to look cute, right? So I tried them on because it was gone, and I said, it's gone now, I can try them again. The same day at night, my eye was swollen. The next day it was worse and I knew it was coming back. So I don't know if I have allergies to this type of glue or adhesive. I don't know if it's the material of the eyelashes. I don't really know. All I know is I cannot continue using them. It's useful, it's practical, it's fast, you look cute, you don't need almost nothing, convenient. I honestly can give them a 10. The only thing that I am gonna advise you is that if you are in a humid place, let's say, for example, I went to Florida, that's humid. Anywhere where you have the beach around, it's gonna be very humid for you. So you have to keep in mind that the glue is gonna be a little hard to take it off. You may want to remove the glue like the traditional way with your micellar water or your makeup remover waterproof liquid. And for the love of God, do not sleep with them on. Okay, that's the only thing that I am going to mention and point out about this product. And of course, don't let my video scare you. I just wanted to let you know my experience. But if you still decide not to try this method, I'm gonna recommend you this other method that is super easy, and I have a video that I am gonna link here or in the description box down below, so you can see the method and the hack that I use. That works for me. Is super easy, and also I have videos trying on different type of eyelashes. This is the regular one, which I no longer use because I rather use this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope my experience was very helpful for you. It was very useful. Share this video with whoever might need this information. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.